the more you wait for something to happen, the more it will just delay. That's one thing I learned. So don't sit and wait. Yeah, it's really important that you take yourself to a place of healing. Otherwise, you're just emotionally destroying yourself. Yeah. So waiting doesn't make you feel better. Not at all. Waiting just overwhelms you. Yeah. That's why you have to take responsibility. It's like if you put all your energy to a person who literally couldn't care less, yeah, and you wait for this person. Ask yourself why I'm doing that, why you're doing that to you. So don't let anyone and anything and any emotion control your day-to-day life. It's not healthy. It's not healthy to wait. So stick to your path, and you have a life to live. Remember, you really have a life to live, yeah? And remember, the law of attraction works best the more you are okay without it. The more you're in peace, the more you accept things. And I promise you, things will come to you. Yeah, so relax, stop waiting. Things will come to you when you really stop waiting and when you start living actually your life again. Yeah. And so yeah, take responsibility for yourself, and whenever there's something coming in, an idea, like also business-wise, maybe a project or an idea or calling to go somewhere to travel to, and when this thing is not letting you go, or yeah, especially like on the first day, we're most of the time super excited about it, and then on the second day and the next few days we are already scared to do it, and then we're getting stuck sometimes not doing it. So decide on the first day to do that and take action right away would be the best. And yeah, otherwise sit with it, watch your thoughts and feelings, and always listen to your heart. Therefore, breathe in and really make a sound when you breathe out, and then keep on breathing into your heart, and then make a decision. Listen what your heart says and feel into it. Feel if this or that feels light or heavy. There's a practice for that. You can just ask truth, and then you ask this one thing, and then you can feel, is it light or heavy? And then when your body feels super heavy, it's a no, and it's not the truth, or whatever you're asking. If your body feels light, then you're on the right path, or then you should do this, whatever it is. Yeah. So I hope this helps, and keep on following your heart, keep on following me, keep on sharing and spreading the word and its magic. And I'm more than happy to have you here and to see you also in one of my portals I'm opening up for you. I'm soon going to open up a healer's portal where you can learn all kind of things around healing yourself and energy healing and so on. Then also one about building yourself up again, which is also a huge thing, and going to be those two things going to be like big signature programs for sure. And also the Tantric Workshop, which I have been doing since more than a year now offline on a bi-weekly basis kind of, will be recorded soon as well to be available for you online too. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you do not miss it. And if you have some wishes, also come and reach out to me, drop me a message. I'm always here and happy to have a chat with you. So with that being said, I'm sending you lots of love and light here from Tenerife, the healing island, heart chakra island, and yeah, I'm gonna see you soon and hear from you soon.